Hello and welcome to Wake Up with Arghon. I'm Lauren Brown, Arghon's Chief Creative Officer.
And I'm Collie Brown, Arghon's CEO and founder.
Alright, so today we're gonna talk about what's new in the AI space. So something I hear that I think is cool and I want you to talk about in 60 seconds or less. The customization though, that people, if they private label with Arghon, they're not going to get the same exact thing as the next guy.
No.
Because they're not the same business, right?
Well, no.
So it's a bit like fingerprints, right?
Absolutely. So we have this powerful technology, just sitting here.
And you have 60 seconds.
I know.
Because I got a fun segment coming up.
I know. But we have this powerful technology. But the technology has to integrate with your world. How good an integration you do behind the scenes will differentiate you from the other ones. So you can have good quality information, but it's locked away someplace and nobody can get access to it. What good is that? If somebody else has it, they're going to see a difference between them. So yeah, the differentiation comes from you, the company.
Okay, alrighty. So
that was 60 seconds, right?
That was under 60 seconds.
Cool.
So you killed it. All right. So the next segment we have here is called artificial irrelevance. And in this segment, in this game, we like to play. We go through different headlines, the topics of the day, and essentially ask our guest, in this case it's Collie Brown, to decide whether or not this article is artificially relevant or irrelevant. I may ask why, I may not. But if you also think that some things are irrelevant or relevant, don't be afraid, don't hesitate to comment down below and tell us what you think and why, and we might respond. So, all right, ready?
Sure. Go ahead.
All right, so the first thing up on artificially irrelevant is hands up for peace. The Korean War is to be declared officially over after 65 years.
Artificially relevant.
Artificially what? You gotta
irrelevant.
Okay, you gotta emphasize those I's.
Irrelevant.
Okay. Computer system transcribes words that users speak silently. So essentially, it uses a piece of hardware to map mouth movements.
Artificially relevant.
You gotta be
relevant.
Okay, thank you.
It's very relevant.
It's very relevant.
And you can
Why?
Because that's another form of communication, and AI is about you communicating. So hey, it's the one-to-one direct relationship there.
The next one is soft robotic fish swims alongside real ones in coral reefs. Is that artificially relevant or irrelevant?
That's a good one. On the face of it, if they're using it for research, it'd be artificially relevant.
It'd be what?
Relevant. It'll be relevant.
Okay.
If they're not using it for research, it's a gimmick. I don't think it's relevant.
Okay, all right, let's see. The next article is YouTuber creates incredible prom dress out of trash bags.
Irrelevant.
Why?
Because as cool as the trash bag is, better, that's cool. That's cool. The dress isn't learning anything. The dress isn't trying to figure out anything. The dress is just being a dress. Cover up whatever it's going to cover up, and that's it.
Okay, and the last one, and this is just going to be a yes or no, it's relevant or it's irrelevant. There is, in development, an autonomous selfie drone. Is that artificially relevant or irrelevant?
Relevant.
Why?
Because the drone's making decisions on its own.
Okay. I mean, there we have it. There you have it. All of the relevant and irrelevant in today's artificial irrelevance. And thank you so much for watching this episode of Wake Up with Arghon. Remember to subscribe to this channel and share us with your friends. If you like this video, put a thumbs up and also comment below any thoughts you have, videos you want to see coming up. And thank you so much for watching. To download Arghon, visit www.arghon.com. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe to this channel where weekly we'll explore what it means to connect to your world through artificial intelligence. And to be part of the Arghon journey, follow us on social media.